Hi everyone, I am Tatiana Meletti. Nice to meet you all. It's a pleasure to be here with you at the CBTD this year. In the next hour, myself, Emma Weber, and Trish Hall will be sharing with you our passion on how Coach Chatbot is designed to change behaviors. The Coach M Chatbot is a self-coaching tool which support the learners in a structured way to slow down and reflect on their learning goals or their learning objectives.
I've made my life's work being around how do we solve this problem of scrap learning. And wherever you look, whether you're looking at the data or whether you're looking at your own personal experience, we know that a lot of learning is wasted because when we're in a learning environment and we go back to our desk or our day-to-day routines, it's very difficult to apply what we've learned. So the work I have been focused on is around the behavioral change part of learning. A lot of the time with learning, we will run some kind of workshop that may have a pre-work phase to it, but that we do have action planning included. But I think the big challenge is what happens to those action plans. So I'd invite you to think about the last time you used action plannings within a program or a learning initiative or training and development program that you were running. What happened to those action plans? The way that we use the chatbot here is that it's a self-coaching tool and it's guided reflective conversations based on the input of the action plan. So think about those action plans. This is following up with those action plans.
So as people go through that particular process, we can actually see that there is data that's being generated on the back end as people have those learning breaks with, in this case, with Coach M, but with any kind of, coaching chatbot. And in this particular case, Emma, we've worked on 3 key areas. How to make sure that through those interactions between the human and the chatbot, that there's positive people impact. How do we make sure that we illuminate through the data insights into how well people are progressing, how well the cohort is progressing through a particular learning intervention or training program? And then intelligence, getting into that third category, which is where we can take the data that's generated through the interaction with the chatbot and actually augment it with data from operations or other parts of the organization to see if we're really making progress through training and development, through translating or turning learning into action. Is it really then benefiting the organization because people are changing behavior back on the job?